Hi guys, so today I would be telling you on how to glow three LEDs using an Arduino Uno board. So it's a very basic project and it requires very simple electrical connections. So on the first hand, what we need is a simple breadboard. As you can see over here, this is one breadboard, and then we have one Arduino Uno board, and this is the wire which we get with the kit. So now you can see, as of now I have three LEDs. One is the red LED, one is the green LED, and one is the yellow LED. And of course, since you cannot directly connect the LEDs on the switchboard, because the LEDs require very less current, so to minimize current we are using resistors. And as you see, these are the three resistors which are connected. One, this is the second, and the third resistor which is connected. These resistors is the rating is 1 kilo ohm. You can see the color bands on the resistors. You can calculate it using the color bands, or it's when you buy resistors it will be written what power resistors you guys are using. So as for now, what we did is the LEDs have two legs. One is the shorter leg and one is the longer leg. The shorter leg is the negative terminal of the LED and the longer leg is the positive terminal of the LED. We simply connect it on the breadboard over here, and after connecting we need three resistors for three LEDs. So what I have done for connection is that as you can see from top, that one of my leg of one resistor is connected to the positive side of the LED and one is connected to the other side. Same way for the green LED also, one leg of my resistor is connected to the positive, other leg is connected on the other hole. Same way on the third yellow LED also, one leg is connected to the positive, other is connected to the negative. Now what we have done is we have connected the one side of the resistor to the positive side of the LED. Now the LED is not connected to the negative side, so we use jumper wires. These wires which are here are jumper wires. So the jumper wires are used, and the negative terminal of the LED is connected to the negative side of the breadboard over here, as you can see. And same way the other side, now the resistors, one terminal is connected to the positive, so one terminal is still remaining. That other terminal, we use again jumper wires to connect it to the Arduino Uno board port numbers, and I've connected to the second, third, and fourth. We don't use 0 and 1. That guys, I would be explaining you the code now. So as you can see, that before we start the writing the code, we have to declare. Now we are declaring int LED1, int LED2, int LED3. What does this mean? Now when you look at the connection on the Arduino Uno board, you can see my jumper wires are connected to the pin number second, third, and fourth. The same thing in the code I have declared 2, 3, 4, that my jumper wires are, or in other words my LEDs are connected to the second, third, fourth pin in the Arduino Uno board. Now in the void setup, now what are basically we declare in void setup? In void setup we are declaring the pin mode, and what does it mean is LED1 comma output. This the whole code, the meaning of pin mode bracket LED1 comma output means that my red light will glow. As you can see, I have written double slash red LED. It means my output would be the red light glowing. Similarly, I'm writing pin mode LED2 comma output. It means that my green light will be glowing. Now the third one I have written pin mode LED3 comma output. It's not blue, it is yellow, and it means my yellow LED will glow and it will give me the output. That is the meaning of these three codes which I have written. Now in void loop I am declaring digital write 2 comma high, delay 1000, digital write 2 comma low. It means that whenever my LED gets a higher voltage, it will glow, and after every 1000 milliseconds it will the voltage will reduce and then the other LED will glow. Similarly, I have written it for the third pin, and similarly when I go down I have written it for the fourth pin as well. Similarly, I have written it for the fourth pin as well. Now when I show you the working, this is how it is working. So you can see that the red light is glowing then my green light is glowing and my yellow light is glowing. So as you can see that it how it glows. This is the proper this is how your output will be when you do the connections properly. uh, for any doubts, please let us know, and thank you.